Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be teaching you how to crochet the magic circle. Start by wrapping your yarn around your fingers like you're about to do a slip knot. Take your crochet hook. I am using a 6mm crochet hook. Grab your yarn and pull it through just like you're about to do a slip knot, but we are not going to pull it. Instead, we are going to grab our yarn like this and chain one off of here. Just like that. If you have trouble with it, don't worry. I struggled with this a lot when I was a beginner crocheter. You can always check out some other crocheting tutorials that aren't made by me, because there are different ways to do it, and there are also different ways to hold your hook and your yarn, which could be useful for you. But if my videos are helpful enough for you, then you can continue watching. I decided to redo my magic ring because I didn't like how it turned out the first time. So once again, to start the magic ring, wrap your yarn around your fingers like you're about to do a slip knot. Grab the yarn with your hook, pull it through. I grab right here with my thumb and my ring finger. And I grab the working yarn up here with my other two fingers. Now we chain one off of here. Just like that. For a magic circle, we work our stitches into the circle. You can either do single crochets, half double crochets, or double crochets for this. If you want to do single crochets or half double crochets, you only need to chain one, but if you want to do double crochets, you have to chain two. I will just be doing single crochets. We insert our crochet hook to the middle of the circle, yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through. Now I will probably make about 6 single crochets into the circle. Okay, now that I have made my single crochets, I'm going to take the end of the yarn and pull it, closing the circle. Now we are going to slip stitch to the first single crochet that we made. Insert your crochet hook to the first single crochet. It may take a second to insert your hook depending on how tight you made your stitches. I usually make mine pretty tight. There, finally. Yarn over, pull through, and pull through the loop on your hook. And that is a slip stitch. And now you have your first round on your magic circle. To start the next round, chain 1. Now I will show you how to increase and decrease stitches. First, single crochet into the first stitch here. Now to increase stitches, we are going to make another single crochet in the same stitch. And that is how you increase stitches. I am now at the end of my round of single crochet increases, and I am slip stitching to end. Now chain 1 to start a new row, and I'll show you how to decrease. First, you are going to make one single crochet in the first stitch. Now in the next stitch, you are going to insert your crochet hook, yarn over and pull through, insert into the next stitch, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through all of the loops on your hook. And that is how you decrease stitches. To show you the double crochet decrease, I started a new work with double crochets. First, you're going to double crochet into the first stitch. Then you yarn over and insert into the next stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, insert into the next stitch, yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops, leaving 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 3. And that is a double crochet decrease. Okay, that is the end of this series. I hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. I encourage you all to keep crocheting and keep practicing the stitches you've learned. I have one more video I have planned before I get into crocheting for dolls. And after that, there are 3 videos I have planned currently that will show you how to make some things for your dolls for Halloween and the fall season, so I hope you stay tuned for that. But until then, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!